Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Global Sustainable Research Solutions Public Revenue. There are two sources of public revenue, tax revenue and non-tax revenue. What is public revenue? The income of the government through all sources is called public income or public revenue. The income which the government get from all the sources is called public income or public revenue. There are two main sources of public revenue, tax revenue and non-tax revenue. There are different type of tax revenue. Here we will study the classification of tax revenue. First, proportional tax. A proportional tax is one which is whatever the size of income, same rate or percentage is charged. Proportional tax is charged at same rate or at same percentage whatever the income is. If we have 1 lakh income, let's suppose we said that proportional tax is 5%, it will be imposed on 1 lakh income, 1 million income or 1 billion income. So proportional tax is one in which whatever the size of income, same rate or percentage is charged. Progressive tax. Progressive tax is the tax system in which the rate of tax increases with the increase in the table income. It is based on the principle higher the income, higher the tax. So in progressive tax, as the income increases, the rate of tax also increases. Regressive tax. A regressive tax is reverse of progressive tax. A regressive tax is tax in which its burden fall more heavily on low income earners or poor than the high income earners or the rich people. It is opposite of progressive tax. So in progressive tax, as the income decline, the rate of tax increases. Digressive tax. A tax is called digressive when the higher income does not make a due sacrifice or when the burden imposed on them is relatively less. This tax may be progressive up to certain limit, but after that it becomes uniform rate. After that a uniform rate is charged. So in digressive tax, up to a certain limit of income it is progressive, then its rate become uniform. Specific tax. A specific tax is according to the weight of the commodity. On the other hand, an ad valorem tax is according to the value of the commodity. So in specific tax, we apply it according to the weight of the commodity, while in ad valorem tax, it is according to the value of a commodity. Direct tax. It is a tax in which the burden is bear by the person on which it is charged. The example of direct taxes are income tax, wealth tax. What is direct tax? Direct tax is one which is paid by the person on which it is charged, on which it is imposed. The example of direct taxes are wealth tax and income tax, etc. What is indirect tax? The indirect tax is paid by one person and its burden is fall on another person, generally the consumer. The examples of indirect taxes are sale tax, excise duty, custom duty, recreational tax. There are different sources of tax revenue like income tax, corporate tax, wealth tax, sale tax, excise duty, custom duty. So first we study the tax sources of revenue for the government. What is income tax? It is a form of direct tax which is imposed on individuals' total earnings. It is the most effective tax which for attaining equity, particularly if it is progressive tax. So income tax is a type of public revenue or source of tax revenue which is imposed on individuals' total earnings. It is the most effective tax vehicle for attaining equity, particularly if it is progressive tax. Corporate tax. A corporate tax is imposed placed on a firm's profit by the government. What is corporate tax? A corporate tax is imposed on a firm's profit by the government, by the state. Wealth tax. A wealth tax is imposed on individuals, not corporations, on the basis of their net wealth. Sale tax. It is applied to all or a wide range of commodities and services. It is allocated, it is collected from vendors rather than individual consumers. The sale tax is finally borne by the consumers. Excise duty. It is actually imposed on the manufacturers, but the consumers have to pay it. It is a form of indirect tax imposed on widely used commodities, often regarded as non-essential, such as cigarettes, liquor, tobacco, etc. Custom duty. There are two types of custom duty: specific custom duty and the ad valorem custom duty. Specific custom duty is fixed by physical units of goods, for example, television, CD players, computers. On the other hand, ad valorem custom duty is according to the value of a good and charged at a certain rate. Similarly, there are also other tax revenue for the government like fees, price, special assessment and rates. What is fee? It is also a compulsory payment but made by only those who obtain a definite service in return from the government. The fee covers a part of the cost of service provided to the customer, to the consumer. The license fee, however, is much more than the cost of service, and there is not much of positive service in return. What is price? A price is the payment of a service of business character. For example, charges for traveling on railway. The price is different from fee. The fee is for public interest. You can escape a price by not purchasing the said service or commodity. Special assessment. It is compulsory contribution imposed in proportion to the special benefit derived to defray the cost of a specific improvement to property undertaken in the public interest. Rates. Rates are imposed by the local bodies, for example, municipalities and district boards for local purposes. Rates are generally imposed on immovable property of the residents, but not necessarily for any specific improvements effected or other special benefits confirmed. There are also non-tax, which is also a source of public revenue. There are some types of non-tax revenue: income from property and enterprise, profits from post office and T&T, trading profits, interest recipients. What is income from property and enterprise? The government receives income from owned lands, forest, mines, irrigation canal water and various public enterprises. Profits from post office and T&T. The government also receives income from its post office and telegraph departments. Trading profits is also a non-tax source of revenue. The trading profit is the trading profits. In trading profits, the government of Pakistan earns trading from export of rice, cotton and edible oil, etc. Interest recipients. It is the most important head in the national tax revenue source. It is the most important head in the non-tax revenue source. The interest and the return from investment received from various autonomous bodies and central bank and the state-owned banks come under this head. What is interest recipient? It is the most famous head in the non-tax revenue source. The interest and the return from investment received from various autonomous bodies and central banks and state-owned banks come under this head. Surcharges. The difference between the sale price and the production cost or import price of petroleum products, gas and fertilizer represent the surplus profit or the surcharges, which is used to iron out the fluctuations in the prices of these essential commodities. There are also some other sources of non-tax revenue like dividends and returns, recipients from civil administration and other functions, and passport fee, national identity card fee, copyright fees, and other recipients. So, what is public revenue? It is the income of the government from all sources, which is called public revenue or public income. Thank you for watching Global Sustainable Research Solutions.